What you're about to see here in a second is a member testimonial, a Recruitemy member testimonial from Cindy Furbush, who I cannot say enough good things about. So Cindy joined the program coming up on 60 days now. And Cindy has extensive IT background, military background, secret clearances as well, which is a wonderful niche to be in, lots of money to make when it comes to recruiting. But Cindy was in a place where she wanted to launch her recruiting business, needed help with systematizing the business, setting up processes, a structure, because she's essentially brand new to recruiting, however, knows IT very well. So what you'll see here from Cindy is, what she's experienced in the first 30 or 60 days so far. I have worked very closely with Cindy. We actually did two calls this past Friday, one client call and one candidate call together, where I positioned myself as one of her investors and her partner. And Cindy got a chance to kind of shadow me and how I navigate a client call and a candidate call. So that's something that I do for all of my members. If they need me, I'm here for them. I'm a true coach when it comes to partnering with them for client calls, for candidate calls, lead generation, setting up sales pipelines, candidate pipelines, nurturing, etc. This is a 3 to 6 month to 1 year program to really scale your recruiting business, to hopefully sell it one day. But the goal is to start making placements so you can have a consistent income of at least 6 figures every year. Stop being chained to a desk. Stop working for somebody, fulfilling their dream, not your own dream. Because guys, you can do this on your own. Okay, if you're taught the right way, if you're not being talked to by a coach who's painting a lottery ticket dream mentality to you, then you're in the right hands. Start your own recruiting company. Get your laptop, get your cell phone. That's all you need. I'll show you the tools that you'll need to get off the ground and start making placements and start getting some recurring revenue every month and basically have an incredible lifestyle. Let me show you what Cindy had to say.
My name is Cindy, and I joined Recruitemy, and it has been one of the better decisions I've made. Prior to coming to Recruitemy, I worked in IT for roughly 23 years, and I knew that I wanted to do something different and decided on recruiting. I did a lot of research, internet searches, as well as research on YouTube, and came across Russ and Recruitemy on YouTube. I loved the message that he was talking about Recruitemy and the training that you would get. And I decided to give him a call. We spoke on the first time, we spoke about 40 minutes. And I think I asked him like every question I could imagine. And then we spoke again for 30 minutes and I asked him even more questions. Russ was able to answer all my questions and all my concerns. And I decided to go with Recruitemy. There were 3 things that I actually wanted out of Recruitemy, which was 1, I wanted a mentor. 2, I wanted to be formally trained. And 3, I wanted to do things different than every other recruiter, whatever they said on the internet as well as YouTube. I wanted something different. And Recruitemy with Russ has done that. From the entire staff at Recruitemy, I've spoken to Jay, Rob. They have been very professional. And I have worked closely with Russ. I think anytime that I have sent Russ an email or call Russ within 10 minutes or less, I'm getting, an answer back. It has been a great journey thus far, and I look forward to this journey with Russ as well as Recruitemy.